I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off.
Some people don't know where they are on the Marley Falls.
If it's controlling you, I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop.
Alright people, the crew there, but rain coming and trap way. See there? Rain trap way.
Put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest.
Yes, we're on the trail to Marley Falls. Jessica here. Mel.
Right behind me.
Yeah, and the one Anthony is spearfishing. Yeah. And then 7 of them where we go. But rain a fall, thunder a lick. So hopefully it don't fall too hard. We can catch a fire, see my guys. So we have some guests coming behind, but they don't reach as yet. So as soon as them reach up, we'll start by the camera, show you guys what going on. But for now, we're gonna try to reach on the Marley Falls. So I'm gonna show you guys everything when we reach. So stay tuned for that. I don't want a little step here. Now who can shop this? Bob Marley. Bob Marley and the whalers into this. And then it's a Marley Falls. So I go on the people. You know, nice little place, but it's just that there weather up on us. But we still gonna make it up. You know? Still gonna make it up. See him way. Watch no face. So you don't know. We are try maneuver ourselves through them rocks and things, you know? Yeah. Or that's a dry door, or that's the best spot for y'all come cook. Yeah, it's dry and thing, you know? How we go? How we go? You know? So that's all guys. Yo. Why your boy? You say we actually there, sir? Oh, no, I said we're going to wet up the show. Guys, we're going to go on base here so till the rain ease down. You know? You say go on now, Jessica. How everything? Long time, eh?
Long time.
Long time. Couple of months. How you link up people? Couple of months. Yeah? Umbrella. Guys, so we have some tourists with umbrella, you know? Come down on my fall. Slow steps, slow steps. No find her?
Yeah.
Where was she?
She passed.
She passed and go down.
Drive gone far out.
Okay.
Eventually apparently she couldn't turn back very quickly because it's too narrow. So
Right,
she
she have to keep going. Good thing to find her. Good time, huh? Ah, hospital I don't know where. Get igloo now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So people don't know where they are from the Marley Falls. And we are going to get some fire stick now because it's time to catch up some fire because the guests them there and they might want some food to eat. So I don't know, I look some stick, I don't know. My specialty that to get the food ready so everybody can eat some food, you see me? So stay tuned and watch how I go on guys. As soon as the rain cut off like I'm showing you guys how the river set up and what I go on and introduce it to the guests them, you see me? So keep on watching. People, so I go on now. We have a pot right here so I catch a fire right here, so I'm going to catch the next one soon. But for now, we're going to match up the fire now so we can get food started there. We're going to fall on people but the rocks them here, so gonna prevent the rain from wetting up this spot. So it's a perfect spot for cook. You know? It's kind of dark but it have to go work because the rain have fallen anyway. We still have to make the food go on because I don't know everybody go hungry when the rain done and the water don't beat them. So for now we just have to do what we have to do. Get the fire ready, get the food started out and just enjoy the rest of the day. So want to get this out of the way now and then we can just go enjoy the water. You see what I say? So we'll get that sorted out. Butter. Put some butter in the pot and the rice. Nice. Yeah, put there. Use a lot of butter. That's all gonna boil out. More butter, the nicer the rice dish. Never know?
You never put no butter in rice.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Let me see.
First time you see that.
No, everybody cook different.
Yeah.
Every day you learn something new.
But me notice the rice is super nice.
Easy there you put white.
Can't do all that, man. When I can't make it Monday also. When I can't make it 2 man, then come here.
Man, jump it to me.
Man.
No.
Man, jump it to
Me
me.
and Jessica, yeah. You forgot to Jessica, man.
But mine not you.
Hey!
Like, come on. What feel like? That
I honestly hold the pain. Me? Without me? You want long time. Why?
Imagine if we go jog this area,
thing that's right.
So the here is, oh.
Can I put some more in it?
5, 4,
5 more, I said?
Long time.
Yeah, that good. I put them on.
One time this I wash. I don't know what. Cook rice and over chef. Anybody cook rice and over chef? I just try to cook for people today.
I like one thing, I like honest.
No, you normally wash your...
Yeah,
No?
I wash it.
Yeah.
I mean, I was
You
close to
normally
water.
wash your rice.
But make a different one there on the water on the side of
One cook.
I want to with a straight like
No one.
Anthony, freeze up the shrimp them.
Shrimp and them things.
Yeah.
Shrimp and them things.
Add little season to it and you know those.
Are they cook already?
Yeah, cook shrimp. Them half cooked. So all we need to know is just get the sauce ready and throw them in for
And next
3 minutes or so. No. Then cook easy. So you don't overcook them.
Yeah.
So, you know? Yeah.
That is it.
Huh?
And they're turning fire now.
Yeah.
What's cooking, chef?
White Alaska mackerel and rice.
I see shrimp.
Yes, and white rice.
And smoke. And smoke. And smoke. Smoke there too. Yeah, smoke there too. What's that? Like that, man. Let me see. Okay, what you do? No, man, that's what I thought you said smoke. I can't do it.
There are no other places.
No, Ochi is already. This is virgin territory.
Exactly.
Leave it like that. Leave it.
No. Leave it as it is.
Like an explorer up in this, like
It already irritates me that when I walk around the You're alive! You're a worried stick.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you say we're going up there to die? No, so we were sitting there waiting. We went to the top. We're waiting for you to die.
Yeah, food and alcohol, you know?
Is there
Yeah.
Add alcohol.
No, food then. No.
any ice?
Can drink everywhere.
So I'm not waiting. Let's get out the white room.
Right?
To just get nice.
I am going for it now.
I'm driving down.
How would drive?
I drive good. I drive.
But you want it, no? No, I thought that. No, I thought that. Yeah. I'm going to water just. I'm going into water.
What's the best part?
Jessica. So they look like it go straight in their foot.
Just give this a few more minutes now.
No, I was just backing you up. You don't want to leave it for too long
Oh.
because you don't want to lose the coconut flavor, you know?
But a two by. Yeah, bro, put two in there. I'm full of coconut, man. Yeah, today your first you laugh.
Once you want, then he would add GDP. All I would have done now is add it to this for the second.
Jessica, from now on, you're not allowed to see any more new spots in Portland.
Oh, it's good enough. Yeah, you want to cross that better on plastic.
The me your par, Edim so. Yeah. And from money me and your par.
Right?
What's that par?
I was saying, oh, we know what you already know.
Yeah. Yeah, just enjoy fully, yeah. Yeah, that's full lot. More.
So I'm coming in? Here.
The color will go good with this white girl. You will ask me how that makes sense. Thank you.
Enjoy. Oh,
Bando slave. More fight. Downtown.
Yeah, but I don't go to office.
I consume some food, you know. Rice and shrimp, curry shrimp. Eh? Food tastes good. Pepper. Pepper good still, no, but
It's like a warm time.
yeah, like a warm time. I'm good still, guys. Too much you don't want to go down this stuff. Just taste good. Guys, food tastes nice. Everybody eat, enjoy. You see me? That's the car, something place I eat. Man, everybody eat them food, people. The food is really good. Everybody plays clean. You know? So, I'm gonna finish up my food now. I'm catching the guys, but then we're done. Oh wait, how is where come from? Which place you come from? Active. Like how she active, you know? You know, afraid to cook and clean. Fish are fry. Alright people, the crew there, but rain coming and trap way. See there? Rain trap way. But we have to take it, we have to make it out same way, guys. You know, because be rain spoil the day. That's how it goes still there. We'll get to do everything we want because of the rain, but everybody eat full of belly. And you know, cooking successful. So I will pack up now and leave. Guys, watch that, be a rain. There, I just come from the river and a pure rain, man. Judge, I'm soak. Watch it, be a rain, people. Watch it, what all that drip off of me. Yeah, but it was a good day. We are going to lift up now, we are going to go home now. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, so I put in them stuff there. Put it on the top of all them.